Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. A lot of people were telling me that the stock market was going to come down on Monday. We were going to see SoundHound dump to $14. Someone left a comment saying, being super bearish, saying this is going to dump, it's going to go to 14, it's going to get cheap. Guess what, guys? What did I tell you? This is behaving like Palantir, and if it's going to continue to behave like that, the trend is not only going to get steeper, but the dips are going to keep getting bought up, and this is going to push to $20. We're well on our way to $20. I think this will happen this week, followed by a pullback, and then we'll get to 25 and 30, and it's just going to continue this on and on. And I know some of you are upset because some of you sold early, sold it quote unquote early, but if you bought at $2 and sold at 12, I mean, no one's going to blame you for taking the 600% gains. You know, you still made money. You shouldn't be upset, but at that point, you should have held those long term, I guess, and then bought a position to swing trade. I don't know. I swing trade and I hold long positions for that reason. That way I'm not kicking myself when I sell too soon, quote unquote. Because you still made your 600% if you bought at $2 and sold at 12, right? Or those who bought at 4 and sold at 16. Like you still made 400% gain. So that's not something to be upset about. You should be proud of yourself and patting yourself on the back. But maybe next time, if you don't want to sell because you really want to hold it for $100, then hold that position and start a new position where you just swing trade with it or whatever, or day trade with it, and still keep the long position on another account. That way you're getting the benefit of making money both ways, so to speak. You eat your cake and then have some more at that point. I still think we're going to go to 20. Like, sellers tried to really push it down today. I saw that in the morning. I'm like, man, they're really trying to push it down. But I'm like, I don't. If buyers step in and this closes green again, I mean, we're just going to keep going. It's going to 20, guys. Let's see if we have any ratings updates here today. Let's see. Analyst offers insight on technology companies. We don't need insight. We already know. Look, someone rose their people are raising their targets to $22 now. These people are behind. I already said $100 is next. These analysts are like way behind. Get out of here, analyst. What are they sleeping at the wheel? We already knew it was going to 20. It's AI stock. We're still in the infancy stage. The AI revolution has just begun. So, you've got to have that mindset. Meme traders celebrating a massive SOUN on AI price target. SoundHound seen as carrying solid AI-driven momentum into 2025. For sure, because they have a lot of coming. Don't they have like almost $200 million in revenue projected for 2025, if I recall? So there's just, people are sleeping on this, and it's not, right now it's just starting to wake up. You were in early if you got in at $4 or $2 back when I first started talking about it. Back when NVIDIA invested in it, you were in early with them, with NVIDIA. And I don't think NVIDIA has sold. I'm looking right now at the news here. NVIDIA has not sold. Wedbush raises target price from $10 to $22. They just realized it's worth $22. I realized that a long time ago. Come on, who are these analysts? Do they get degrees and everything to be analysts? Because they suck. This should have been obvious. Partners with Church's Texas Chicken. That's cool. That's good to know. But we were looking for McDonald's at this point. All right. So things to look forward to. McDonald's partnership. That's the one thing that people keep talking about. Number 2, look forward to $20 this week, followed by a pullback. Then it continues. Look at my AI watch list on the left hand side. The quantum stocks, the AI related stocks, they're all pumping today. They're all pumping. And we know that last week SoundHound was pumping when everything else was red. Even NVIDIA was red. But SoundHound got this huge push, right? So, what do you think is going to happen when everything else is getting a push too? All boats are going to rise, so to speak. And SoundHound even more so. So, there's just a lot to be bullish on. Today, I did buy this one, ASTS stock. You guys know me. I love buying bottoms. It's right at the bottom. It's within a wedge. So, I bought at $23.93. So, I'm up already like 30 cents. Woohoo, I guess. But yeah, like you guys know, if you've been following this channel, I like to buy bottoms. We look for bottoms. We're the cheapies. Give it to me cheap. I do chase breakouts, of course, as well. That's what we look to play on this channel. So hit that like and subscribe button. Hopefully you're making money. Hopefully you listened, and hopefully you continue to buy cheap stocks that are truly undervalued, because people just don't think ahead. They think short term. They're not thinking like, yeah, wait, we're not probably not going to be alive for it, but hey, there's going to be humanoid robots, and they're going to do a lot of stuff for us, and hopefully we are alive for it, because that would be great to experience. I remember people saying in 2016, "Oh, this is the best time to be alive." I think the best time to be alive is has yet to come. It's just the beginning. It's just the beginning, my friends. Technology is still new. It's not like technology existed 200 years ago. I think 200 years ago we were still swinging swords. No, no, probably right. What was 200 years ago? 1800s? Yeah, we were still swinging swords. I'm sure. I don't know. I don't know my medieval history. I'm not gonna pretend like I know. But if we were swinging swords 200 years ago, that's pretty sad. Anyways, technology. When you zoom out on humanity, not on the charts, on humanity, when you just zoom out and think about how long we've existed and how long technology has existed, it's incredible where we are now, but think about how incredible it's going to be in the future. And take advantage of the stocks that have a lot of potential. AI, voices is number one, my friends. I'm going to keep pumping it. I know I sound like a pumper, but hey, keeps going green, green, green. So I haven't been wrong yet. I'll see you at $20.